yellow. Uh, a lot of change, not a lot of change actually, just this one graph and one clock, little taskbar change. But anyway, you read the title, you saw the thumbnail. We're gonna try to do gaming on Linux, and the goal is we're gonna try to do any other game that isn't better. We're not gonna use ProtonDB. We're not gonna use any anti-cheat games or try to run any anti. We're gonna try any other game that isn't known well or known well in Linux, I guess, and that uses Steam. I downloaded Steam app. I used last video. You should check that video out. So here, somewhere in this, see big cursor over here. Okay. We'll have a few objectives in this video. One, we're gonna try a native game, that is Minecraft. That's going to be our first native game, and that will be a direct comparison with Windows and Linux that you will see in the video. Next, Umamusume, which is not a known game for the Linux community. I'm not going to check the ProtonDB if it works or not. All we're going to do is click on Proton. And third is an obtained game. If you know what an obtained game means, you know, right? We're going to use an NFS Most Wanted 2005, which is, I have tried it and I'll show you the result in within a few minutes. But this game is a 2005 game, and we're going to use Proton, which is from adding a game, not adding a non-Steam game to NFS, to the Steam library, and use Proton through settings, properties, compatibility, and use Proton. You can use Proton experimental and run this game through Proton through Linux, which is a obtained game. If you know, you know, right? Okay, now first we'll go try Minecraft. I'm gonna use SK Launcher for this, but cause I'm broke, please subscribe to the channel so I can get a Minecraft account. Anyway, the main goal I'm trying to do with gaming on Linux is to show people that you can actually play some games in Linux. And I wondered if I could play a few games on my own, like a few games that I play. See, I quit online gaming. I'm not gonna play any anti-cheat game, no Fortnite, no Valorant, no Apex, nothing. Like my PC can handle half of them games, but anyway, I'm gonna try to play a game that allows me to play freely without any FOMO or any content block or no battle pass. So we're gonna do a vanilla version of the newest release. Let's do 8 gigabytes of RAM so we can get a real test to it. Now let this load. Mojang Studios, go-to game company. See,
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Okay, shut up, bro. See, but you saw how fast it loaded, right? I'll do this back to back. I'm gonna show you how this compares to Windows, but you see how that changed, right? It's literally 3 seconds into it, bro. Anyway, we're gonna do a super flat forward because super flat will give us the most FPS consistent. Linux and create. You see that loading speed. Oh, there you go. I'm already in the game. You saw that loading screen, bro? It's pretty amazing. You see the chunks loading and everything. Villages are popping up. Oh yeah, I need full screen this one. And we click the F3. Oh, we can change this. You see, it's right now capped 120 FPS. We're gonna do default settings. Default settings should be better. We're gonna change the 154, 150 to 170 FPS. What is that? 3 villages in a super flat? Well, I only see 2. As you can see, there's like 150 FPS. Yeah, hello. Into a village with mobs and all, we get 140 to 160 FPS. Slightly decrease. No, 3 spheres, that's crazy. Anyway, going to our sky testing, I think. This will be our main benchmarking text. This will be our FPS testing. And you can see 400 to 500 FPS on Linux, and you'll see a side by side comparison in your next side, but I can't see it. But anyway, that's our Minecraft testing. The next few games aren't really benchmark wise, they're morely compatibility wise, so we're gonna see if they run. Now let's try Umamusume. You see it's want to be installed, but I'm just take it from I'm just gonna take it from my hard drive. If I can install it there, can I? Where's the setting for Steam apps? Oh no, Steam setting for Steam. There you go. We got Night Runners and Prolog and PrettyDerby. We need both of them. Now we can play. Click play. This is running on. Oh, it's is this? Wait. Why does it need to download Proton when I already have Proton experimental? Correctly, is that experimental? Bang. But I already have. Okay, fine. Already got for experimental. How am I not doing shit? And let this install. Damn, Proton 300 megabytes. Damn, alright. Wasn't familiar with the game, bro. Damn. So how are they been, bro? Let this download. There you go. Proton's done. And I'm gonna try to play the game now. Hopefully this works. But before you do that, there's a thumbs up right here. and I think you know what to do. Like the video, please like the video. I need the likes, please like. Let's get this video to 10 likes in total. But okay, anyway, let's go. Downloading Linux runtime 4.0. It's another overload. Oh my god. Alright, I think I should just let it play out when I'm trying to launch it right here. Okay, it's close to being done. Steam's notification sound, that is so nice. Now has to be launching. Oh my god, it is running. Wolfen shaders. Stop means gonna store anytime. When to play. It didn't stop. Maybe second try sure. Oh no, it's not running. Maybe changing the Proton compatibility. Specifically do something. God, this book. Come on. One more try. Bro, what am I downloading, bro? All of a sudden. Anyway, this is Proton experimental updating itself. Okay, I think we'll give it a minute to update. Oh my god, there's so much shit. Alright, come on, this is gonna be the highlight of the show, bro. Can't believe we can't actually run the game. You can just click the home side, maybe click this green button. Potentially it may work. Validating, starting download. Is it downloading the game? What is happening? I think I'm missing something. Alright, launching Umamusume. 100%. I didn't even look. It didn't run. Come on. I need a good answer. Does it run or not? It doesn't run. Oh my god. Alright, you can't play Umamusume PrettyDerby. Confirmed. Let me check ProtonDB. Hold on. ProtonDB. What? Shit. Damn. It's playable. It's platinum. Like what? GE Proton. Oh. Okay. Proton 10 and 11 hangs the game on version check. Most likely trying to load the initial Proton GE works without flawlessly. Alright. Okay. That might be it. What else is there? Default Proton can't get past the intro screen stable experiment or beta. Without the environment variable, this game has much more frequent frame drops. Latest 11 beta makes it playable without any use of GE, I guess. We have to use ProtonDB. ProtonDB hella goated. Okay, let's go try it one second. This might be a lot more long. This video might. What does Proton GE means? Unofficial. I don't know how to download it. Must have proper configurations and packages. Alright. Proton Plus, a Proton version manager. Hey yo, Proton Plus. Tool manager for Linux. It allows you to easily manage a very subtle mine case. Yeah, Flatpak. Alright, can show Casey how to install something. Frick, I forgot you can't copy paste. I'm stupid. Can I just not install Flatpak? Oh, FlatHub, sorry. Yeah, again. These are the things. Just click Y. Bang. More Linux content. I guess this is how most of us have to use Linux. You have to find methods and fix them. But hey, this could be a good video to use. Maybe. Yeah, maybe we can try that, bro. I can just try to say how to run Umamusume on Linux. Maybe somewhere y'all are not like struggling to play the game. Maybe that could be a separate video. Hey, thanks, bro. I got a new video now. Alright, new video idea, hopefully. I guess it will come in next week. Hopefully, if I can finish this video in 1 week. Alright, I'll see you after this and I'll cut back. Lovely game, easy to run, available on phone too, adorable, home, cheapy, start on cashier Proton. I think most of them ran, looking through all these, most of them ran on GE or Glorious Egg Roll, as they say, or Cashios, one of these two. You know, one thing I hate about, I'm not sure if it's a Firefox problem or Linux itself, you can't click mouse button and scroll up. You know, there's one thing you can use. If you click mouse button, you can, have an automatic slider like this. I don't know what I'm speaking. Show an example on screen. Anyway, I guess this one says you can use Proton 11. I think you can try using that. I love Rush Hour. This game just worked. I could link my account to my phone. Did some careers, no bugs found, except for the FPS cap of some sort. Good comment, but the FPS cap is a mobile game, so until the JP version comes to the update of 60 FPS, until that comes, until that patch comes, this cap will only exist, so like 30 to 40. So yes, Proton Plus is a must for adding new Proton. Is valid. No, this is it's done. Alright, okay. We can. How do I use this? Sorry. Fatpack run that whisper. There you go. Oh, you can. Damn, you can just install. Oh yeah, for open source. You can just take Cashios this thing here. Alright, JE is the one. Tor. This is the newest one. This will get the latest one. We can update that. Is that nice nature? Wait, yep, that's nice nature. Hello. Anyway, sorry, got lucky. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, there you go. done, after every install you have to restart it. Alright. So restarting download, what? Pause. Hold your horses, dog. Literally. J latest. Nice. That's the one installed. Go back. Click. Bang. As it load now, it's running. Oh. What? It didn't run. I think it's downloading. I think let this down. Let this down. Okay. Launching Umamusume. Worker shoulders. That's done immediately. And it didn't start. What am I doing wrong? Why can't I play a whole game? Nah, maybe. You carry on. This game has dual shock support. Why do you need control? Not running. It's not running. I think this itself could be a video, bro. It's me struggling to get Umamusume running. Okay. At the meantime, I'll try to fix this later on the video, but in the meantime I'll do NFS Most Wanted, the OG, the game to play, I would play. I ran it once, hopefully launches with other than something's bugged up. There you go. Oh my god. Wait. Big shit. Oh wait, oh no! Damn, I forgot to turn off the music. I need to go turn it down. Talks to the penguin, let's go. Wait, there you go. I think I got it copyrighted. She's loud, bro. Should we do career? Let's do career. Nah. Absolutely fine. So, what is bro doing, bro? Hear that whine, bro. One of the best intros on a racing game. I can't even hear my voice, bro. It's that loud. And I'm like, you don't know already in? But I think I'm gonna just shut up. I think I have to shut up for this. Remaining units be advised, vehicle west UTV. Squad should be set up in the surrounding area. Alright. What? What the fuck? No. Anyway, as you can see, game is running well, bro. Like, this is all the cutscenes. I mean, it is an old ass game, bro. You can still play the most best game, racing game ever lived, ever touched this planet. Easy. I can't even hear my voice. Everything's so loud. I need to tune it down. Legit too loud for my ears. Still loud. Hey, since it's I forgot the stopwatch button. What is the stopwatch? I don't know the stopwatch button. They don't make games like this anymore, bro. It's just one of the best games in the world, bro. This is 130 miles per hour, bro. Put this in Forza and you'll look like if it was a grandma running. This is speed. This is speed. It's literally having the need for speed. Get it? This is a need for speed factor. Ow. Bang. I think I'm gonna stop it there. Or I'll accidentally play the entire career because I could. The prologue is pretty good, I won't lie. But if you want to play the game, you gotta opt in. Now, man, I can't resist it. But anyway, this game works, and I think I'm gonna go back to fixing Umamusume. I've shown you 2 games that works. One is a very old game, very old DirectX game. I think it's DirectX 9. I need to maybe show it on the screen, maybe. And Minecraft, which is native, pretty easy to run on Linux. Literally the game to play on Linux. I don't want to make this video too long. I think it's going to be too long. I'm sorry, but is it because it's on another partition and not mine? Is it 10 gigabyte? It's not 10 gigabyte. Where's the game saved at? Where is half the game which you download? Umamusume, it has 400 MB to download, but then you have to download it like another 10 gigabytes after the game installed. So it's like an installer for the actual game. But if it's not installing here, then where is it installing then? Maybe that's why it's not installing. Wait a minute. Hold up. Umamusume game file location. I was correct. Oh, I have side games. Alright. Oh, it's local low. This is the first game that I see that uses local low as a directory. That's crazy. 10 gigabytes. Yes. Yep. Yeah. It's 10 gigabytes. Bro. That's 10 gigabytes. Alright. Maybe I just reinstall it. Storage. Alright. Storage. We do not take this. We actually remove it. We remove this one. Remove library. Alright. Here we have enough 4:15 we install the game. This game was installed on a drive that is not currently connected. That's alright, maybe we gotta do shit. No, I wait not shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna go listen to music from my bed. How long have I been recording? 1 hour? If okay, I'll consider it a success if I can actually get into the main screen, aka like the tutorial. If I can get into the tutorial, then I'll start Citizen W. I'll just wait. That does with different thing. Oh my god, the notification hit. The dopamine hit. Let's go watch more. Play game. Alright. Redo or do the same thing. I think we're gonna cut this. Let's cut this. Take the launch option out and we'll use the GE so we're gonna see. If it opens and we can actually play the game, then this is a W. Let's see. Running. Not very running. Never mind. It's running. It tweaking. She is tweaking. Okay. Go She. Alright. Full screen works. Oh my god, it's working. Okay, Steam overlay works. That's one. Say this is what I. But game runs. The game runs. It's on full screen. No buggy. Oh my god, this might be a moment in history. This is gonna download the tutorial. Actually, I don't want to download the tutorial now. Can I just? Wait, is this copyright? I don't know. Wait, I'm gonna just close it before it copyrights me. As you can see, the game works. Let's go. It took me 20 minutes to realize I need to not use Windows partition and then use it. So I guess you can't really play Linux games off of Windows drives. I guess even if it wasn't Windows drive, this game particularly had most of the game files in the Windows drive, which is in the local drive, or the app data folder, which is in the Windows side, and the game installer was in the my storage drive. So I can't really play this game particularly. I can't play on my storage drive, but I can install it on my Linux drive and play it natively on Linux. Okay, that's a good information to know. Game works. That's all the 3 games I want to show you today. This is a big enough achievement. Adios. So